Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can display a pop-up form like this on your Shopify store. Obviously this form is completely customizable. You can change its content, number of input fields, the label color and this message as well. When user will submit this form, an email will be sent to Shopify admin. This is going to be a free process. We will use a free app in this video. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and without any delay, let's get started. First of all, you can see that I am on my Shopify dashboard. On the left bottom side, you have to click on apps. From here, click on all recommended apps, scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. You can access this store by directly type the keyword Shopify App Store on Google. From here, I have to search for Shopify Forms. Shopify Forms. You will see this app. Just click on it because I have already installed it. That's why it is asking me open app. You will see install button here. Just click on it. After this, open your Shopify dashboard, and from here, you will see this installed app maybe at this position, or you can directly click at this position. Here you will see a button to create form. Just click on it. It will ask you that either it will be a pop-up or inline. I will select pop-up, and here I'm going to name this FineGap discount. This is simply a form name. Just click on create button. You will see this page. This page provides you all necessary settings that you will maybe require. First of all, you can see it is asking that either a form will be a overlay or floating. I'm going to select overlay. It will display in the center of the screen. You can select the overlay color. So this is a teaser. For example, if customer did not subscribe, still if you want to display that form, it will be display on the middle left, middle right, bottom left or bottom center. You can select the location. But this is in case if user did not fill out the form. Here is the title. You can change this. I'm not going to change this. So here is form title. I'm going to type here sign up to get 10%. Okay, I will just remain this as it is. You can put the form content here. By default, it is providing me two fields, the first name and email. You can also add another fields according to your requirement. User will see a button to submit the form. You can also change the label, the text of the button, and this type of other information you can also change this. Here it is displaying that what if success. For example, if customer fill out the form, you can also select that title. You can also select the content. So here all you can find these settings. Here it is asking for behavior. For example, either you want to display this form on mobile device only or on desktop. So I will select all devices. Here it is asking either you want to display this form on all pages or on a specific page. You can also choose that, but I will select all pages. Now it is asking that when you want to display this form, either when first user will view the page or secondly when user will view the page, you can select this. I will select first view. When page will be loaded, after how much seconds you want to display the form. You can add those seconds here, but I'm going to type here 0. For example, if user want to leave the page, you want to display that form, you can also check this, but this functionality is only for desktop users. And from here, it is asking provide us another option, email notifications. For example, when form will be submitted, an email will be sent to a specific email. Currently, the store owner email is just a temp mail that I have created from temp mail website. But in your cases, the form submission email will be sent to your email. So I will check this. And if you also want to send email to subscribers, you can set that from this position. Here you can see that basically this is a preview that how our form will look like after submission. Let me click on the save button. After this, you can see it is displaying me a notification. Now we have to embed our form to our store. So just click on this button, go to online store. It will land you to this page. From here, maybe you will see this checkbox as unchecked. You have to check this because we want to embed this application to our store. On the right side, you can see that this is how our notification bar will look like. Make sure to click on the save button. Changes are saved. Let me go back. I will click on view your online store. Okay friends, you can see that the pop-up form is here in front of us. So friends, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. I will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.